Hello, hi. Today I am so super excited. As you can see, I'm super excited for what's going on here right now. So I just want to do this recording just to say, oh my God, today is Friday and it is Super Friday, I called it. And I am truly excited. And for those of you who watch my YouTube and know that I come on, I'm just coming on here to share my super excitement with you guys. Today is, to me, I call it Super Friday. And I just came from my dentist. And look at this. Look at the day. It's so beautiful today. I can't complain. I am loving this day. I'm loving everything that's happening. And I just want to stop by here to say, whoa, it is indeed a good day. See, look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So today what I want to share with you guys is to celebrate today's celebration. A few days ago I posted a YouTube video about my new Bromocriptine treatment that I currently started. Today's actually 1 month ago. I started a Bromocriptine medication to help lower my progesterone level and to help regulate my menstruation. For those of you who watched my YouTube video before, know that for over 6 months I haven't had a regular monthly menstruation, and today I am super excited to share the good news with you. It's just been 1 month since I am using on the medication Bromocriptine, and I actually got my. I just want to say yes, I got my period today. My menstruation came back this morning when I woke up. So that's why I am so super excited, and I just want to share with you guys, all my PCOS people who are actually on this PCOS journey and having a hard time, to just keep the faith. Just keep trying something. It might work for you. Work along with your doctor and find something that worked for your body and something that worked for you. I am super excited, and I couldn't wait to sit with you guys and share this. Excuse me if I'm talking a little bit funny because I just got my Invisalign to. I can't even imagine that. I always wanted to close the gap. See, I always want to close the gap in my mouth because I have really wide teeth. They're very spacious. So today I actually was saving and planning to get it done. So finally today I was able to start the process. So today's my first day wearing these uncomfortable things. I shouldn't say they're uncomfortable. They're not really uncomfortable, but you just have to get used to them. You just have to get used. Anyhow, and anything you want to do in life, you just have to get used to it. You just have to adjust yourself to the changes and adjust yourself to do what you have to do to make that change possible. So yes, that's just what I want to come on and share with you guys. I'm super excited after taking Bromocriptine medication, and I am presently taking the 1.5 milligram, and I got my period back after 1 month of taking that medication. So I'm super excited. I'm so thrilled that this happened. I am thrilled. I'm so happy. Look at the beautiful flower behind me. Today, I feel like I'm just enjoying every moment of Friday. Today, Friday the 4th. It is awesome. It is awesome. It is so amazing. It's so amazing. So I just want to share that my two good news with you. I just got my period and I was waiting, and I was super excited. When I woke up this morning and I saw it, I was like so happy. So happy. After 6 months I haven't seen my monthly on a regular basis, and I was hoping to get it balanced, hoping to this medication would have worked for me and actually turned out to be good. So Bromocriptine works for me. In 1 month I actually have my period, and I'm so excited. The next step is for me to actually go back and test my progesterone level, which will be around the 15th of this month. So I am super excited. I will definitely come and announce to you guys. Um, if it removed from 73 to wherever it is, I want it to be normal. If possible, I want it to be 8 or 9 or even lower. I am so happy. So happy. I was waiting and expecting my period for the last 6 months with nothing to show. But taking Bromocriptine, it actually worked for me. So you guys who are hoping and waiting, who are actually on the same journey as me, I wish you guys the best, and I hope that you work along with your doctor, get something that will work for you, and try something. Just try something and see what will work for you. So I'm super overly excited. You have no idea. The best thing ever happened to me today is that I feel like a brand new person having my period again after 6 months. And I feel so rejuvenating. I am getting to do one of the things that I always want to do, and that is to, have my Invisalign to help correct my space in my tooth, in my mouth. As you can see, I have huge gaps. See? Huge gap. So today I have my Invisalign. So things are good. Things are good. Things are good. I'm so super excited. I got it. So I just want to say, hope you guys all enjoy this little happy, joyous moment of mine that I'm sharing with you guys. And for all those of you who are on the PCOS journey, keep the faith. Don't give up. Keep trying something that, until it works for you. Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up. Keep believing in yourself. Keep believing that you can do it. And you just work towards it day by day. I am so happy, super happy, super happy. Oh my God. And I just wanted to celebrate with you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. See, I had to come to the park, to the garden, just to sit and enjoy the moment that I am actually feeling right now. Super excited. Peace out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see whenever I post a new video. I am super excited. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best on your journey, and all the best on what you are trying to accomplish with your PCOS journey and your health. Thank you so much for watching. Super excited. It's not that uncomfortable. My teeth is not that uncomfortable, but if he weird, I guess because it's new to me, it's really weird. Yeah, so this is my new thing. I can't wait to see what will happen. I have to wear this for 1 year to help close the gap. And when these gaps are closed, there's going to be some space in my mouth. So I will eventually have to do some, I think, 4 implants that I will have to put back in the back of my teeth to the bottom area. So I'm super excited. 2 good things for me today. 2 good things that happened. Let me know what are the 2 best things that happened to you today, September 4th. Good things are happening. Share your good news. Share your good news. Thank you so much for watching once more. All the best. Peace out. Lots of love.